everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you what is Android Studio and how we can install it. Let's see it. You can install Android Studio from this website and you can download it from here. When you downloaded this, you can open it. You have to wait. Let's make our first project. We go to the new project and choose the empty views activity. Here we can choose the name for our activity. And here we can use the language, for example Java or Kotlin. I use Java because I know Java. And here you can use the version for your application. This version is good because 97.4% of device can run approximately. After that you can finish. Make next file. Yes, our first project will be created. You have to wait a while. Yes, this is our layout page, and you can minimize this from here. This is our layout page, and also you can see the XML code from here. And if you wanna don't use XML code, you can use here like this. This is our main activity. In this area we used JavaScript code, and these aren't necessary. This is our XML code. And also this is our hello world. If you wanna make something else, you can put it like this or like this. That was our first activity or first lesson with Android Studio. In the next tutorial we are going to read another thing. Thanks for your attention there.